Hi everyone, welcome to this week's lecture where we talk about the tools that you can use as part of your communication toolbox. In this lecture, we're going to talk about some different marketing communication options that are available to you as a designer. You have advertising, you have promotions, you have personal selling, public relations, which includes events and experiences, direct marketing, internet, and mobile marketing. The thing that differentiates advertising from all of the other communication tools is that generally advertising is where you pay for an ad to be placed somewhere. Advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, products or goods, services by an identified sponsor. It's a powerful means of creating strong, favorable, and unique brand associations and eliciting positive judgments and feelings about your company and the products and services that you offer. There are different types of advertising. We have television advertising, we have radio and print, we have direct response advertising, and we have place advertising. And then another tool that you can use would be promotions. There are generally two types of promotions that you may be designing for. You have consumer promotions, which are of course promotions that are geared to final consumers. And then you have trade promotions, which are promotions that are geared for persons or companies in the business sector. The advantages of promotions are numerous. It permits manufacturers to charge different prices to groups of customers who may vary based on their price sensitivity. You can convey a sense of urgency to consumers when you run a promotion so that they have to buy now. It can build brand equity through actual product experience, and it can encourage the trade to maintain full stock and support the manufacturer's merchandising efforts. Disadvantages: there can be decreased brand loyalty and increased brand switching when companies run promotions because consumers may just buy whatever product is being promoted. It can increase the importance of price as a factor in consumer decisions, and you may subsidize buyers who would have bought the brand anyway. Another tool that you can use is personal selling. This is one-to-one selling, when generally there's a sales pitch that's designed and a sales team who has to execute the sales pitch. Personal selling is very important, especially in one-to-one industries like the financial industry, where personal selling is used a lot. And then we have PR. It's any activity to create or maintain a positive image about your company. But it's also used to handle negative occurrences that are possibly impacting your company. Public relations also includes events and experiences. These events are normally focused on engaging customers' senses and imagination as a way to build and concrete your brand. Event marketing is big. It's public sponsorship of events or activities, and it could be related to anything: sports, art, entertainment, or even social causes. In terms of PR, it can range from extravagant or very large sponsorship events to maybe even simple local in-store product demonstrations. Direct marketing is also another tool. Direct marketing is marketing that allows you to directly contact members of your target market. These members normally have opted in to receiving some sort of communication. So just think of when you go to your favorite website and you sign up to receive the company's newsletter. That's direct marketing. It's also exhibited through email marketing, catalog or kiosk marketing, as I mentioned, newsletters, and content marketing. When it comes to online and internet marketing communication, there are a couple of different things that we see going on now that can possibly impact your role as the designer. You have design that is catering for websites, design for online ads and videos, and social media. Mobile marketing is a very important field that's going on now. Again, it's product advertising using the various mobile platforms that consumers are on. So think of your phones and your tablets. What's going on now with mobile marketing is that companies can perform what's called geo-targeting, where marketers send messages to consumers based on their location and the activities that you're engaged in. Again, with this advertising, there is an opt-in sort of permission that normally happens where consumers have to give you permission to send them information based on products or services that are offered in their area. So to conclude, marketing communication is indispensable to the process of building your brand. Developments in technology have provided new and creative modes of communication that are really revolutionizing the job of the designer. Marketers should employ an integrated communication mix to achieve their goals. So you can't just use one of these communication tools. You choose the communication tools that best suit your business and you use them in an integrated way to make sure that all of your communication avenues are giving the same impression or same perception, same message to your consumer. So take a look at the slides and take a look at some of these general marketing communication guidelines that we have here concerning the things that you need to pay attention to when it comes to marketing communication. And that, people, brings us to the end of this week's lecture. For our discussion this week, please see our discussion forum and please review all the other resources related to this week's lecture.